Alright buddies, so what we are going to do today is we are going to convert some audio files to MP3 format. So what we have here is the file. Now these audio files are present in OGG format. I want to convert it into a MP3. So with the help of, there are so many options. With help of software we can do it. Format Factory is present. With that software we can do it easily, but I wanted to do it with Python. So that's why with the help of our evergreen MoviePy module I tried to do it and it worked perfectly. So first of all let me show you how. So this is the script that I created and let's see if it is working, and it will because I made sure it will work. Okay, 1 2 3 4 and 5, all file are converted into a MP3 format. We can see it here, this output files folder. Let's check one of them. Okay, so it is also working. So next what we are going to do, so how this all idea came upon, that my mother had these files and she wanted it in MP3 format. So she sent me these and then I try to convert it into a MP3 format with the help of Python. So let's see what we have here in the code. See, with only these around 20 lines we have done a simple task successfully without installing any software. So let's see what we have here. We are importing from moviepy.editor, we are importing everything and also importing the OS module to create some directories and handling extensions and paths. So first of all what we are doing is we are file paths we are saving. So let me also open the terminal and show you what this means. So import os dot path dot list dir, or maybe this was it I forgot it. Os dot lister, yes. So what this function will do is this will list all the files and directories in this files folder. So we can see 1.org, these five files are present in this folder, files folder. So in this script what we are doing is we are storing these names of the files into a fpaths variable into a list format, and then this is just printing. And then what I am doing is I am creating a directory with the name of output files. So in this folder we'll save our whatever converted files. Okay, so if this directory is already present, we'll just pass, and then this function is created to handle the conversion. So this argument is path and this is extension. So in the MoviePy module what we have here is there are two basically classes, audio file clip and video file clip. So to handle two operations related to audio files, we can create object related to audio file clip and then pass the path to that files. Next, so as we are dealing with audio files, we have created a object named clip, and then we are passing whatever the path is in this folder. Okay, so let's skip it and jump to the for loop. So what we are doing is for f in f paths, so for each of these files we are, so in the first loop the f variable will be set to 1.ogg, and then we are invoking this function and we are passing this f variable to here. So next what will happen is, so 1.ogg will open in the first for loop. Next what we are doing is os.path.split. What we are doing here is we are separating the extension and we are only taking the let me also show you the example of this. Let's copy this and paste it here. Paste. Okay, so we cannot control V in the Linux, so what we'll do is we'll say files and 1.ogg is present in. So what this is doing is this is splitting with the extension is split, separated into a tuple, and what in this variable what we are doing is we are indexing, we are taking the first element in this tuple. So at the 0th index this element will be set here, and then then we are concatenating it with the extension of our choice, which is mp3 here by default. So next we are setting the path to the output files. So we have already created this directory, and then what we are doing is we are setting the output path. Then just we have to do on this object, we have to call the method write audio file, and then just pass the output path, and everything is set. So with this help of MoviePy module, I was able to simplify, I was able to quickly solve my daily problem. So this is the fun of programming, and this is the fun of Python language. So keep exploring, and thank you for today. And one more thing, I am not suggesting, I have no idea whether this is a good way or a bad way, but this worked for me. If you have any better way, you can share. Yes, thank you for today.